Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing how to make a Norway flag using the Python turtle library. In the last video, which is the part 47 of the Learn Python series, we discussed how to make a Denmark flag. Today, we will modify it to make a Norway flag. So let us just run this program first. So here you can see the Denmark flag is created. Now, the first thing we will do is we will just comment this so that we can see where is a cursor, and then accordingly we will make the Norway flag. Okay, so our cursor is here and we need to make a Norway flag. So these are the dimensions. So we can see here cursor is here, that is the cursor is here. Now we need to rotate it and then make this blue line, and then we can make this line and then rotate and make this line, and we can complete this rectangle, and in similar way we can complete this rectangle. Okay, so let us see. First step will be, so if we see this blue one is 9, so that means this is 9 and this whole is 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that means we need to move 3 forward here after rotating. So we need to rotate it towards left by 90 degree, and then we will move forward by 3, and then we will complete the rectangle. So let us see step by step. So first we will rotate it towards left 90, and then we will move forward by 3. So let us first run this much. So our cursor is here. Now we can make the rectangle. So for making the rectangle, so we can see here, first we can move forward it further by 9, and then we can rotate it towards left, and then we can move forward this much. So this much is 50 plus this is 15 plus 100, so that is 165. So let us see. Move forward, sorry, move forward by 6, and then we will rotate it left by 90, and then again we will move forward by 165. So let us see this much. Okay, now we will rotate it towards left by 90 degree, and then we'll move forward by, we can see here this much is 9. So we'll move forward by 9. So left by 90 and then forward by 9. So let us see. Okay, now we can move it towards left. We can rotate it towards left, and then we can move forward. So this is 165. So I guess this can be made in the for loop for I in range 2. Let us see. Let us go. So a rectangle is made, but it is overlapping the previous line. So let us see what dimensions have we given. So we said to move forward by 3, we reached here, and then we said to move forward by 6. Okay, let us see what was this. So this was 9. Okay, so this is the problem, that here it should be forward 9. And then we said to rotate it left, then 165, then left by 90 degrees, then 9, and like this. Okay, so if you're using the for loop, I think this is not required, or let us see. Let us just run this. Oh, so this rectangle is made. Let us just fill the rectangle. But one thing, if you noticed, let me just run this again. You can see these lines are made, this one, this and this. But if you see this flag, there is no line, black line here. So we need to use the up and down here. So instead of saying it 165, what we will do is we'll just say to move by 50, and then we will lift up the pen, then we will move 15, and then we will move 100. Okay, so forward by 50, and then we'll write up, and then we'll move forward by 15, and then we'll say down, then we will say forward by 100. Let us see. After this, the next step is to fill the color. Okay, so this one is not correct because we said it, uh, so we should not use the for loop here, because from this side if we move, this is 50 and then this is 100. If we move from this side, then this is 100 and this is 50. So we found the error here, and we can change the program accordingly. So we can just remove this, and we'll just remove the indentation as well, and then we will just write here just we can just copy this, and I think even this is not required. We'll see it later if this will be required, and here it will be 100 and this will be 50. So let us see if the program works now. Okay, so that 9 was required. Now let us fill the color. So we'll start filling from here. If we write fill color blue, and here begin fill, then at last we'll write here end fill. Okay, so a rectangle is made. Now similarly we can make this rectangle. So for this, first we need to take a cursor from here to here or this point. So what we can do is, so we can simply use the up and down, or we can even use go to, but let us just use up and down. So for that we can rotate it towards left by 90, and then we can move like this here, and then we can rotate it by 90 and move here. So let us just write this. Here we will be writing up, and later we'll write down here. Then you can see we need to first rotate it left by 90, and then it will should move forward by 50. So 50, then it should rotate by right, so 90, and then it should move forward by 50. If you have confusion regarding the dimension, you can just see here, this one is 50 and this is also 50. You can see this is 50, so this is 50 and this is 50 because here it is written this one is 50. Okay, so let us just run the program and see if we have written it correctly. Oh yes, so our turtle is here. Now in the similar fashion we made this, we can make this rectangle. We'll just rotate it towards left and then we'll move forward to make the rectangle. So rotate it towards left and then let us see if we can just copy this one. We say forward 3. Okay, and if we run this program, yes, and then we can just use this. We can even use the for loop if we're using the same program again. It will be simpler. Okay, so we got to know that we can't use the same program because this dimension is different from this dimension. This one is 100 but this one is 50, and so this should, instead of 100 it should be 50. So let us just go here and change this 100 to 50. Let us see if this works, and this program is different so we can't use the for loop here. Okay, so this bar is little above, and why is it so? Maybe our turtle did not reach the end. So for that we need to go back to our program and just bring this here so that we can see where it's a cursor. So here we set it up and then move forward by 50. So it was here. So instead of 50 it should be 53, because if I explain it here, then our cursor was here and 50 is will be like this and this 3 will be left. So let us just copy and run this. Let us say if our flag is ready, and yes, a Norway flag is ready. So this was all for this video. Hope you understood how to make the Norway flag using the Python turtle library. For more such videos you can refer to our Learn Python series. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!